Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME 11 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first, enroll the list of all apps, find and select settings, then go to wallpapers and style and click on wallpapers. Now you can pick something from your own album, something from carousel wallpapers or static wallpapers. It's up to you. Let me choose, for example, this one, then click on apply, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both, home and lock screens. And right after you click, it is applied on both home and lock screen. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.